AI can shine. Today's drones can struggle with unexpected obstacles, causing crashes and damage. But AI-enabled drones could analyze their environment in real time, identifying and avoiding obstacles before they become a problem. But perhaps the most exciting possibility is the idea of decision-making drones. With AI, drones could analyze real-time data and make decisions based on it. Imagine a search and rescue drone that can autonomously decide the most likely areas to find a missing person, or an agricultural drone that can identify and treat areas of a crop that are under stress. These capabilities could bring about several benefits. Increased efficiency is an obvious one. Tasks could be completed faster and with fewer errors. Safety could also be enhanced, with drones able to avoid dangerous situations and reduce the risk of accidents. Plus, AI-enabled drones could perform tasks that are currently impossible for humans, opening up new possibilities and redefining what we consider achievable. In essence, the integration of AI into UAV technology could redefine what we consider possible. The fusion of AI and UAVs is not just a possibility, it's an impending reality. Today, we've taken a deep dive into the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, assessed their current capabilities, and envisioned the potential enhancements that artificial intelligence can bring. The present state of UAVs is impressive in its own right, with drones being used in a wide array of fields, from delivery services to wildlife conservation. Yet the introduction of AI can take these capabilities to new heights. By enabling autonomous operations, AI can make drones smarter, more efficient, and more versatile. The transformative potential of this fusion is immense. AI-enabled drones could revolutionize industries, contribute to scientific research, and even reshape our daily lives. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, we can only imagine the full extent of its impact. One thing is certain: the future of drones is intelligent.